Luca. Opening surprise eggs.
Three little babies opening an egg. One got an ice cream, its color was red. Two little babies opening an egg. One got a lollipop, its color was green. One little baby opening an egg. One got a jelly, its color was blue.
Poem song.
I read a poem before I go to bed, just to draw a picture and keep it in my head. I never feel lonely as it sings back to me. It helps me fall asleep and dream what I could be. I used to need someone to read the lines for me. I would listen carefully, draw a picture I could see. A poem is my best friend, from it I learn a lot. It helps me fall asleep whenever I cannot. I have a lot of poems I keep up on my shelf. Some got pictures I like to read myself. The pictures I draw, they keep me company. I even made new friends, they mean a lot to me.
Let's make some new friends.
The bus stopped, and all the kids hurried down to see all the sights of this new town. But right there was their biggest surprise. Other kids were standing right before their eyes. Who are they, and what will they do? It was the perfect chance to make a friend or two.
Do you know what to say? What to say? What to say? Do you know what to say when you meet new friends? Yes, we know what to say. What to say? What to say? Yes, we know what to say when we meet new friends. We stand still and say hello, say hello, say hello. We stand still and say hello when we meet new friends. We can ask, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? We can ask, what's your name when we meet new friends. I'm Lily. I'm Jack. I'm Molly. Then we smile a friendly smile, a friendly smile, a friendly smile. Then we smile a friendly smile when we meet new friends. Then we go and play together, play together, play together. Then we go and play together, play with our new friends. Yes, that's right, it's what we do, it's what we do. bunny had a